Hi guys, Boss Lady here back with another video for you, and in today's episode I'll be showing you guys how I line my eye. Before we continue, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon right beside it so you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And if you have any question whatsoever, please leave a comment down below. So as you can see here, I'm just applying colors from my eyeshadow palette, the Naked and Cocoa, on my eyelid so that my eyeliner can have a base and stand out. So I'll start by drawing a line from the outer corner of my eyes, from the lower outer corner, and just drag the line right up there so to have a sharp edge of the liner like that. And then I'm just going to make it a little bit thicker on the underside of it to make it a bit thick. And don't worry about making mistakes, you can just correct that with concealer. Now we have a very thick bottom and a sharp edge. So right now I'm just going to draw from the middle of the line that I drew initially and down to my eyelid and to the middle of my eyelid, say very smoothly, and just try and make that line a bit darker, and then pull it all the way forward down to my outer corner. Don't worry about having a crooked line, you can always clean it up with concealer. In case you're having shaky hands, here's a trick. Just place your tongue in front of your upper teeth and just hold it up there, and then you focus on that, and then your hands become stable again. So right now I'm just going to quickly draw my eyebrows. In case you want an eyebrow tutorial, how to draw your eyebrows tutorial, leave a comment down below. So I'll be doing a well detailed tutorial on that. It's pretty easy, but I'm more than happy to do a tutorial about that for you guys. So that's all for today, how to line your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the bell icon right beside it to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Leave a comment if you want how to draw your eyebrow tutorial in the next video, or if you have any question whatsoever, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.